Today we're going to unbox the Horacio curated box, I guess it was called. It was the Spring 2021 box. Now, it's a little confusing because Horacio Printing is a woman named Polly. However, this box was totally curated by a woman named Kelsey. So I was so confused when I got it. I wrote her and I was like, I don't understand why I'm getting all these Kelsey products. And so she explained that even though the website is all her, Horacio Printing is all Polly, that this particular spring box was curated by Kelsey and all the products in here are hers. So if you're not confused, then good for you. I was a little confused, but maybe it's just because I'm new to Horacio Printing and I just saw them online and I wasn't sure what was going on. Now, I do have another unboxing of the Horacio planner, which is which is Polly and not Kelsey. See, I'm getting confused again. So that unboxing will happen next week, but let's just take a look at this box, which is Kelsey. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturdays. Now, I guess I'm mostly just kind of like confused because I loved Horacio Printing and I loved all of their products, and I didn't realize the spring box is just like something totally separate that is not theirs. So this box was $75, and honestly, I probably wouldn't have purchased it if I understood that it was from a woman named Kelsey, and there's nothing wrong with Kelsey. I wasn't a Kelsey fan. I signed up because I'm a Polly fan, but clearly I'm not a fan enough because I didn't understand what was going on. This box was $75. It did include free shipping. It arrived pretty quickly. They said they had like a limited supply. The box says 12 on it. So I don't know if I'm like the 12th person to get it or like 12 to last, or maybe that number has nothing to do with anything and it was just placed on there arbitrarily. But you got 6 items in the box. So we're going to open it up and take a look. How cute is this box? I love this tape. Hello Spring, the best is yet to come. And it just has that all around. Even though it's a plain white box, the packing tape has made it just beautiful. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So we have Horacio Printing. Oops. Are you ready? Come see your dreams. So this is the spring box. All right. So here's everything. I think this is an inventory for the spring box. It says you are loved. Tissue paper, some crinkle paper. All right. And, wow, everything is compact and inside this little carrier, right? It's kind of like Christmas. You're like, I want to make sure there's nothing else in here so I don't miss anything. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. So we have this cute postcard. It looks like it's gold foiled, and that's it. And over here we have It Takes a Village. Don't know what this means. Oh, they're cards. They mean you. When they say it takes, they're the same thing. And then you get 2 matching envelopes. And over here we get the Radiant Journal. And remember, the Radiant Journal is, I believe, sold out on their website. I could be wrong, but I thought last time I checked. This journal belongs to, and I think that's the same one. She will be radiant. That postcard. Yes, it is. All right, so hey, radiant girl. Oh, let me get this in focus. And let's see. Kitty's coming to check it out. So we have January through December, grateful for. I guess I don't really understand how this works. Believing for, reflecting on. Oh, I see. So you just pick the day, the month, and the day. I know you're like, we figured it out already, Lisa. And then you can put everything down here. Oh, I see. So it just rinse and repeats every single day. It's the same. And then you pick the date at the top. I really like that. That's kind of cute. I've never seen anyone do that. All right. Notes, and that's it. And this is hardback, in case you're wondering. It is a little tough to get it to, it's not too bad to get it to lay flat so you can write on it. But it does have this pretty bookmark. All right, Kelsey Chapman, What They Taught Me, Recognizing the Mentors Who Will Take You From Dream to Done. And this is from Harvest House Publishers. I think Harvest House is like Hay House, don't quote me on that, but I believe they
try to do wholesome Christian sort of publications. But yeah, entrepreneur podcast host. Oh yeah, we all know I don't listen to podcasts. Thanks God for the wonderful mentors who stepped into her life to give her the wisdom, inspiration, and support she needed in each season. And what they taught me, she'll show you how to find a mentor who will help you reach your dreams and how you can become that person for someone else. As she recognizes 10 women who changed the course of her life, Kelsey passes on the expert guidance that enriched her perspective, helped her live out her passions, and kept her hopeful and optimistic about the process. All right, and then Seasons of Soap Bible Study. So this is volume 4, and you could buy, I believe, volumes 1 through 3 on her site. Welcome, part 1, the canvas. So we have intro, dream planning, refocus cloud, heart check, love, fear, and part 2, the Seasons of Soap. All right, and that looks like it's it. So let's flip through it with the canvas. This book begins with the canvas workbook. So dream planning, bucket list. Again, so this is a hardback. It's not too bad to keep open. It's maybe not the easiest, but some people like hardback. Remove the toxins. There is no fear in love. Choose your season. So these are all the different seasons. How to soap. Oh, now we know what the SOAP acronym stands for. So it is scripture, observation, application, and prayer. And she has some examples. I always love examples. Season of hope and some place to reflect, and then scripture, observation, application, prayer. So like what you saw before. And I think this just rinse and repeats, right? Yes, I'm correct. It just rinse and repeats. And then, you reflect on your season of hope, and then you move into the season of faith, and then you do the same thing. There's a scripture, observation, application, prayer, and then we move on to the next season, which is grace, and then we do the same thing, scriptures. So I do like that she's chosen scriptures for you. It's hard to know which ones to kind of where to go. I mean, I guess you could just read the Bible from beginning to end. Season of uncertainty, but I like that she's picked out relevant passages from the Bible. Like, I actually really like that. That's very helpful. And I think that's it. Yep. That's everything. The season of becoming holy and the end. So, before I got the a little loved planner, and I thought maybe this was an error the way it's done, but this one's the same way. And so I think that's just how her logo kind of works. It's supposed to just kind of fade out. It's like those ripped jeans where you're like, are these ripped, but I'm going to pay full price? Yes, that's what it's supposed to look like. So here's the side if you want to see. And it did have a bookmark somewhere. There's a bookmark somewhere. There we go. And it's black, which matches the front. That's it.
So what did you think? I mean, let's go through each item. I 100% am not going to read this only because I'm not a Kelsey fan. I was more of a Polly fan. The cards, I did like the cards. I like this postcard. I thought that was cute. I love sending out cards to people, so that was nice. The Radiant Journal. So I did like that it had this date thing on the top. I thought that was genius. And as far as everything else, I kind of felt like this could have been a notepad. I get why it was bound and put into a journal. However, again, it's not too bad. It's just a little harder for me to write in these bound planners that have this type of spine. And over here, the Seasons of Soap, I liked it. I obviously am not super religious, but I always tell everyone I did go to an all-women's Catholic college, and so I actually lean more towards Catholic Christian related items. Let me know in the comments what you thought and if you felt like it was worth $75. And if you also, definitely check out the sales page. Let me know if you weren't confused. Now that I look back at it and Polly was like, yeah, this is a Kelsey product, it's very obvious. The book is by Kelsey, and so I just, for some reason, because it was all together, I really thought it was Horacio Printing and it was all Polly's products. But we will check out Polly's products in another video when we actually check out her planner. So I hope everyone's having a great day. And remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. And also, number 2, if you would like to create your own subscription box, I do have a free handy dandy cheat sheet that outlines all the 10 steps that you need to do, as well as a video on how to do those 10 steps. All right. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later.